Hey people, good morning guys. How's everybody doing today? This is day 3 of my project. I gotta talk a little bit low because everybody's sleeping. I've been up since 5, it's already 6:03, so I don't wanna wake everybody up. All right, so I started doing the cuts. The cuts is like the edges of one part to a next part. And since I'm doing this wall two-tone, you guys can see what I'm doing here. I cheated again, but it's gonna get, the outcome is gonna be excellent. I put tape just to make sure I don't go over the color, which is, I don't want to go over orange. Just want them to meet like in a straight line. So I put on some tape to just divide one color to the next. So I'm doing that now. Before I continue, today is October 30th, 2021. Tomorrow's gonna be Halloween. For you kids, man, I remember when I was a kid, I used to go out there trick-or-treating. My sister used to take me out. My sister's older than me, so she used to take me out to watch over me. And I used to have a bunch of candies. In my house, we was eating candies all the way up to May, June. I'm dead serious. So this is what I'm doing today. Adding on this second color. My little boy, he sleeps, so he can't help me right now. You know, I let him rest. It's all good. You know, he was tired. You know, he's only 9 years old, so that's what I'm doing now. You guys can see the cuts around the edges. Don't want to go over that window frame. That door frame. All right, so that's what I'm doing today. I'll be doing that. Hopefully, I want to paint that whole blue, the leftover color that's needed on this wall. I want to go over that. Make sure I finish that today. All right, because tomorrow I got like a lavender that's gonna go on these two walls. Yeah, lavender. If you don't know your colors, if you wasn't paying attention back in elementary school and junior high school, lavender. It's like a light purple. That's the color I'm gonna add on here. So so let me just finish that up. To me, it's coming out really good. The outcome is really good to me, and I'm kind of like my best critic. I'm a perfectionist, so I'm gonna be on top of my game. All right, so this is it, people. Day 3. Keep you guys updated. All right. Salute. Peace.